How to fix Instagram and Facebook contacts. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can connect your Instagram and your Facebook account and connect the friends or connect your contacts. Now, to do so, open your Instagram app and log into your ID. Now once you're logged in, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And once here, tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Now once here, head over to settings, and if you scroll down below, you'll find the option Accounts Center. Now tap on it and you can see this opens up. And what you want to do is add Facebook account. Tap on it. It basically connects your Facebook and your Insta account, and you'll be able to connect friends, your Insta friends on your Facebook and your Facebook friends on your Instagram. Now once you do this, you can either change your Facebook. Since I have logged in this Facebook account on my Facebook, it's showing my Facebook account automatically. So tap on continue, and here you'll find the option to finish adding your account. Now I'll just tap on yes, finish. So now if I go back, and you can see my profiles have been connected. So this way you can connect your friends on Instagram and Facebook platform. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.